Getting into the world of drones can feel overwhelming at first, but choosing the right beginner-friendly model makes all the difference. Whether you're interested in learning to fly, capturing aerial photos, or just having fun, today's entry-level drones are designed to be easy to control, durable, and packed with helpful features. Here's a look at some of the best drones for beginners to kickstart your flying journey. Number 1. DJI Flip Drone. If you're new to drones, the DJI Flip is the perfect starting point for someone seeking more of that manual flying experience that Neo doesn't offer, but still at an entry-level price tag. This drone packs a lot of power into a small, easy-to-use design. At just under 249 grams, it's not quite as small as Neo, but still incredibly light and small. For what it's worth, it basically packs up as small as Neo due to its folding design. As is the case with Neo, you don't need to register it with the FAA, saving you a bit of hassle right from the start. I'd recommend the DJI Flip to anyone who wants a mix of quality and affordability. It offers impressive flight stability, a great 4K camera, and enough battery life to keep you in the air for about 30 minutes per charge. If cost isn't a concern for your first drone, consider upgrading to the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It has everything the DJI Flip offers, with one major bonus: omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This feature makes the drone practically crash-proof, giving you the extra peace of mind all beginner drone pilots want. For a deeper dive into these two drones, check out my comparison guide, DJI Flip vs Mini 4 Pro. Number 2. DJI Neo Drone. The DJI Neo stands out from the rest of the drones on this list. It doesn't have a controller. It's designed to take off right from the palm of your hand, and it records sound via DJI Fly app. Oh, and it's also incredibly inexpensive for a drone, only $200. You can buy a remote control for the DJI Neo, but DJI encourages you to let the drone handle the filming on its own. You just choose a pre-programmed flight path, like follow me mode or zoom in/out, and the drone will do the rest. Once it's finished, it'll return right back to the palm of your hand. The DJI Neo is also the lightest on the list, weighing only 135 g, however. It has a flight time of 18 minutes, which is a significant downgrade from most under 250 g DJI drones. The DJI Neo is more of a selfie taker than a drone, although it is certainly a major step up from your selfie stick or long-armed friend. Number 3. DJI Avata 2 Drone. FPV drones offer an entirely different flying experience, and if you're eager to dive into this world, the DJI Avata 2 is the perfect beginner-friendly option. Now FPV, short for first-person view, flying is not for everyone, but if you're interested in getting into this racing and acrobatic-oriented type of flying, as opposed to, say, more traditional cinema-style photography, listen up. DJI Avata 2 is the most beginner-oriented FPV drone. What makes it ideal for newcomers is how easy it is to get started. Unlike most FPV drones that require tricky setups and custom builds, the Avata 2 is ready to fly almost straight out of the box. Also, the good news for beginner drone pilots is that learning to fly the DJI Avata 2 is a breeze, with hardly any learning curve at all. If you're purchasing the DJI Avata as your first drone, you'll probably want to include the DJI goggles and motion controller. These accessories pair with the Avata, providing an immersive flight experience and intuitive control. The DJI goggles offer a first-person view, making you feel like you're right in the drone's cockpit, while the motion controller allows you to steer the drone simply by moving your hand. This combination not only enhances the fun, but also makes flying easier and more accessible for beginner drone pilots. Number 4. DJI Air 3S Drone. If your main goal is to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, the DJI Air 3S is worth considering. I'll be honest, this drone is a bit pricier, starting at $1,099, than the others on this list, but for good reason. The Air 3S is equipped with dual cameras, offering both wide-angle and telephoto perspectives, which is a fantastic feature if you're serious about photography. The DJI Air 3 does way more than 249 G, so you will need to register it with the FAA. And I would recommend watching YouTube videos or bringing along an experienced drone pilot for your first flight. Flying the Air 3S. The flight controls are as intuitive as you'd expect from DJI. It's packed with helpful automated features that make flying a breeze. For example, just tap a button to take off, and when you're done, hit another to bring the drone back and land it effortlessly, no matter where it is. The all-direction obstacle sensing is a game-changer for beginner drone pilots, offering peace of mind by making the Air 3S nearly crash-proof. So, you can focus on getting the perfect shot without stressing about potential collisions, which is a huge confidence boost when you're just starting. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Capture impressive 48 MP photos with a 1/2 inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K per 60 frames per second video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles / 10 kilometers, and can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution livestream directly from the drone's camera. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects centered. POI 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles.